Dear students, now we will see statement assumptions, which is the third part of unit 3. So an assumption is something taken for granted. That is the fact that can be supposed on considering the contents of the given statement. So in this type of questions, a statement is given followed by two assumptions, and the student is required to access the given statement and decide which of the given assumption is implicit in the statement and choose the same from the alternatives provided. Okay. So the exercise or the examples are: in each question below is given a statement followed by two assumptions numbered as 1 and 2. Consider the statement and decide which of the given statement is implicit. Okay, and we have to give the answer A if only assumption 1 is implicit. If only assumption 2 is implicit, then we have to give the answer B. We have to give the answer C if either 1 or 2 is implicit, and D if neither 1 or nor 2 is implicit, and E if both 1 and 2 are implicit. Okay. So the first statement is, it is desirable to put the child in school at the age of 5 years, 5 or so. So assumptions are, at that age the child reaches appropriate level of development and is ready to learn. And the second assumption is, the school do not admit children after 6 years of age. Okay, so here it is desirable to put the child in school at the age of 5. So first statement is implicit, as at that age the child reaches appropriate level of development, but the school do not admit children, this is not specified in the statement. Okay, so the assumption 1 is implicit, so the answer is A. Second is, you must learn to refer a dictionary if you want to become a good writer. Okay, A advises B. So assumptions are, only writers refer to the dictionary and all writers, good or bad, refer to the dictionary. Okay, so it does not follow from the statement that only the writers or nobody else will refer the dictionary. So that is not stated in the statement, and nothing is mentioned about the bad writers in the statement. Okay, so both the statements are not implicit, so the answer is D. Third question is, the chairman and the secretary of the housing society have requested society members to use the way to use water economically to help society to save on water tax. Okay, so the first statement is, majority of members of society are likely to follow the request, and the second assumption is, it is desirable to reduce expenditure wherever possible. So assumption 1, there is a the statement does not specify whether the members of the society are likely to follow the request, so assumption 1 is not implicit, but yes, it is desirable to reduce the expenditure wherever possible. It may be water, it may be fuel, it may be anything. Okay, so we have to reduce the expenditure, so the statement 2 is implicit, assumption 2 is implicit, so the answer is B. Fourth statement is, if you want to give any advertisement, give it in the newspaper X, A tells B, and the assumptions are, B wants to publicize his products, and the second assumption is, newspaper X has a wide circulation. Okay, so A gives suggestions to B, but the if word indicate that, according to, means if you want to give any advertisement, so this if word indicates that assumption 1 is not implicit, and the second assumption is, newspaper X has a wide circulation. So yes, according to the statement we can or the B knows that there is a wide circulation of newspaper X, that is why A tells B to advertise in the X. So the second assumption is implicit. So the answer is B. Next, fifth. We must settle all the payments due to our suppliers within the 3 working days. Okay, and the assumptions are we will always have necessary funds in our account to settle the bills, and we are capable of verifying and clearing the bills in less than 3 working days. Okay, so as the statement stated, we must settle all the payments means the organization or the company is having the sufficient fund to pay. That is why it it is stated that we must settle all the payment within the 3 working days. Okay, so here both assumptions are implicit, so the answer is E. Then the next example is a statement given is a good book even if costly is sold. Okay, assumptions are some books are better than others, and the second assumption is most of the books are costly. Okay, so the statement mentioned here is good book. This means that some of the books are may not be good, or some of the books are not as good as the good books. Okay, so the statement one is implicit, and the second assumption given is most of the books are costly. So the word if costly, it indicates that most of the books are not costly. So the second statement is not implicit, only the first assumption is implicit, so the answer is A. Okay, so this is the statement assumption. So first we have to read the statement, and according to that we have to find the assumptions which assumption is implicit to the statement. Okay, so thank you so much.